How to look hot without using makeup. This video is a collab with my favorite YouTuber, Obaki. I love her videos, so don't forget to check her channel out. So let's begin. Invest in a skincare routine that works for you. Find your skin type. You can't look hot if you have a dry, acne-prone skin. Use natural teeth whitening methods like baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for a brighter smile. Use ice cubes wrapped in a cloth to gently massage your face, reducing puffiness and enhancing blood circulation. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and accentuate your best features. Choose clothing in colors that complement your skin tone for a vibrant look. High-waisted jeans can create the illusion of longer legs and a defined waist. Pairing a crop top with high-waisted bottoms can showcase a hint of midriff, creating a stylish look. A well-fitted bodycon dress accentuates your curves and exudes confidence. Off-shoulder styles highlight your collarbones and add a hint of allure. A wrap dress is universally flattering, defining the waist and creating an appealing silhouette. Adding a leather jacket to your outfit brings a hint of edginess and timeless style. A well-tailored pencil skirt is a classic choice that emphasizes your curves in a sophisticated way. Boots with a bit of height can elongate your legs and complete a chic ensemble. Choose accessories that complement your style and add a touch of sophistication. Bold earrings can draw attention to your face and add a touch of glamour to any outfit. Mix and match necklaces of varying lengths to create a stylish and eye-catching look. Layering delicate rings on your fingers can add a subtle yet elegant detail to your hands. A bold cuff bracelet can make a statement and add a touch of edginess to your style. A stylish watch not only serves a functional purpose, but also adds a sophisticated touch to your look. Experiment with hats or headscarves to add flair and personality to your overall look. A stylish pair of ankle boots or heels can instantly enhance the allure of your outfit. Pay attention to your body language, as it can impact how others perceive you. Stand tall and maintain good posture for a more confident and attractive presence. Get a haircut and a hair color that suits your face. It makes a huge change in your appearance. Use Vaseline or castor oil to make your lashes appear bigger. Don't forget to curl your lashes too. Avoid having crusty lips. Apply tinted lip balm and make sure they're moisturized. Invest in a gua sha for that snatched jawline and to make your facial features stand out more. Working out makes your physique attractive and helps you to lose face fat fast. You gotta have a hot mindset to be a hot person. You've to be convinced that you're a hot person so that people can perceive you like that as well. It all starts within, see. And that was it. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.